Hi guys, welcome to the chickens channel. Should we go and see them? Let's go. Just about to go and get the food in. Turn this on. Every month, because it's nearly the 1st of December. Well, this will be in the 7th of December, because I've already done those ones. So I need to pick up the cabbage. Need where's the oh god, I need to open it. Right, let's face that for me. I don't know, you can kind of see me. I'm new. Right, you need this. Right. So I need one. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to fill that one over there. Put that there. That can go in there, that and mine. Do that. That needs to be shut. Hi guys, thank you for watching the chickens channel. Subscribe, like, share, and hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.